Hi, I'm Susie from Arc Sport, and I'm just going to take you through a few simple exercises you can do here at Alumni Park. We've put together some easy to follow workouts so that you can get the most out of Alumni Park Gym. Let's start off with something light and easy, ideal for anyone of any ability. For all exercises, aim for 8 to 12 reps for 3 to 4 sets. The first exercise is the push-up, which is great for your chest and triceps. Try to keep a straight line between your head and toes throughout the whole movement. Next is the backwards lunge, which is great for your glutes and quadriceps. Try and avoid knocking your knees in during the exercise. Next is the row, which is great for your back and biceps. Similar to the push-up, try and keep a straight line between your head and toes. Here are the glute bridges, which are great for your glutes and hamstrings. To make the exercise harder, you can move your legs further away from your body so there is less bend in your knees. Here are the knees to chest, which are a great whole body exercise and particularly for your abs. The last exercise is the forward climb, which is a great whole body exercise. Try and keep your body and arms as stiff as you can throughout the whole movement. For all exercises, aim for 8 to 12 reps for 3 to 4 sets.